Alright, so to figure out which points are on the graph of the given equation, all we have to do is plug in the ordered pair into the equation to see if it satisfies the equation. So the first point they want me to investigate is 0, -4. And so the first number, 0, is x, and the second number is y. So we're going to take these two numbers and plug them into the equation. So the equation is y equals, so that we'll have -4 equals square root of x, so that's square root of 0. So you can see that I'm plugging -4 in for y and 0 in for x. And after we do this, we now want to determine if we have a true or false statement. And so we get -4 equals square root of 0 is 0, and 0 minus 4 is -4. So after plugging the numbers in, I see that I have a true statement. So this point is on the graph. So since we got a true statement, this point is yes, it is on the graph of the equation. And we just do this for every point. The next ordered pair is 1/9, 13/3. And so we're going to plug 13/3 in for y. So we'll have 13/3 equals square root of x, which is going to be replaced with 1/9 minus 4. So we have 13/3. The square root of 1/9 is 1/3. The square root of 1 is 1. And the square root of 9 is 3. And 4, I'm going to turn that into 12 over 3. Right? 4 is the same thing as 12 over 3. And so now we have a common denominator. 1/3 minus 12/3 is -11/3. So we've reached the statement 13 over 3 equals -11 over 3, which is of course false. So is this point on the graph of the equation? No. In order to be on the graph of the equation, it has to satisfy the equation when we plug in the numbers. And the final point is 64 over 4, or I'm sorry, not 64 over 4, 64 comma 4. And so we're going to plug 4 in for y equals the square root of x, which is going to be replaced with 64 minus the 4. And the square root of 64 is 8. So we have 4 equals 4, which is true. And so this point, yes, it is on the graph. So out of the 3 points, 2 of them were solutions. Two of the points are on the graph of the equation, the 0, -4, and the 64 over 4. So we would type those two ordered pairs into my math lab.